The channel fuses a calming escape with two worlds: the satisfying engine, an ASMR showcase of cosmetic repairs, high-pressure cleaning, and precise mechanical synchronization. Beside it runs Gaming Universe Deep Dives, where expert-led explorations of Roblox and Minecraft uncover dress creation trends and secret build hacks. Each video is crafted in third person, guiding viewers through tactile sounds and visual rhythms that soothe, while inviting superfans to discuss minutiae. From gleaming tool sounds to pixel-perfect block arrangements, the blend transforms routine maintenance into ritual and online fandom into conversation. Whether craving ASMR calm or insider game lore, the channel promises a dual-stream experience that respects niche communities and their shared passions.